次は新宿、新宿、お出口は左側です。
Finished up at Ichiran. Just had a nice little ramen experience. Amazing, beautiful, delicious. We're in the mix right now, in the mix of Shinjuku that is. What we're gonna do now is maybe hop back on the scooters or the bikes. We're gonna go to Kappabashi, pick up some things there, and then maybe make our way over to Akihabara for nighttime. I don't know, we'll see. But man, it feels good to be back here.
I felt something when it jumped.
We're out here trying to make it to the spot. Someone ends up popping his tire in the middle of nowhere. And the worst part, the stations aren't even nearby. So we're gonna try and walk it now, get them situated, and then reset. The boys went to get some golf shoes right now, see if there's anything available. So that's the current update, but. Way too mixed up right now. Definitely shouldn't be vlogging and riding one hand, but we're out here in the middle of the Shinjuku mix currently. Trying not to get hit. In the middle of the street. Oh my god, look at Dimitri. But what? What the hell are you doing? What are we saying? We getting stuck here?
No, we're good.
Alright, shit, run it. Hey. Check the triceps though. So Dimitri ran out of battery. We're getting a new one now. We're about 10 minutes away from our destination after this 40-minute trek, 9 kilometers. Insane little area, insane little station, weaving through traffic. Almost there. After walking around for a bit, we ended up back at Golden Guy here. Last time we were here, it was a little bit techie, so this time around, we'll try to really like enjoy ourselves, soak it up a bit. And then yeah, Tiger King was to the right. Hey, hey. I have no idea, it could have been any one of these. Where's Red Room?
I think we went right here.
Yeah, that sounds right. No pun intended, of course.
This might be Red Room.
No, it wasn't. You're bugged out. Hey,
Hey, touch it. Yeah, touch that shit.
No, you gonna guzzle that or what?
I'm okay. Aye.
Mandatory little late night pickups. Dimitrios, what did you get?
You know, the little Yukimi Daifu.
Mandatory.
Eclair.
Calling it slightly early. By slightly early, it's almost 2 a.m. Waking up tomorrow, get in the car, going golfing. Yeah. My feet are absolutely cleated, but hopefully they recover by tomorrow. And then I'm gonna score a double birdie. Good night.
Currently 7:50 a.m. Just got out of the hotel, 7-Eleven. I don't know why I said that. Going to rent a car, pick up the car. Evo was still in bed. Hopefully he is up and ready by the time I get the car and go to the hotel, because Nicola and Salman I'm sure will be, so we'll see.
It is 8 in the morning, car is secured, bags are packed, we're ready. And hold on, where's the driver? Oh shit, I just hit the door. Just bill it to me. This is our ride, huh? Got the balls, got the tees. We came here, we're kitted up, about to golf. Mount Fuji somewhere behind me. Beautiful little day today. Boys, you guys ready to golf or no?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I've never golfed before in my life, so we'll see how it goes. But I don't know what to say, it's just a good day.
Just go slow, it'll probably turn. No, it's not turning. Wait, is it? It is. I think it figures it out where it is.
So the golf cart is actually automatic, it looks like. Alright, so we made it here now. Officially, we got the golf cart, we got all the clubs in the back as well. Oh, watch out for the tree. We start in about half an hour or so, so I don't know. We'll see what's going on. Exciting.
In the woods? You may be okay on that hill. It's possible.
Nice and easy.
Go crazy, go crazy. All right, we're rocking.
We're in play.
First hole ever. The par was 5. Ended with a little bit of a 10. It's all right, not bad. Could have went 8, could have went 9, but you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda.
We're straight. We're in play.
Some sort of miracle of luck, potentially some skill. The first shot landed on the green for me. Wow.
Lock in, Eva, lock in. You get a birdie here. Ah.
That's beautiful. What do you mean? We're a couple holes in now. Boys are having a great time. Man, look at this view though. Oh my God. Thumbnail. Here's my ball right here. Insane. Not bad for my first time golfing, you know? Wow, what a beautiful course.
That's a great shot. That is a great fucking shot. That's perfect.
We're about to have a little dinner. Peep the new drip. Oh my God. Wow, look at the presentation. Oh, thank you, thank you. Wow. Put 2 thumbs if you're losing. Little update, we're in the back 9 now. Boys are not playing as good as they were the first round, but you know, we're still having a good time, enjoying ourselves. We're on a large hole here. What, does anyone remember the yardage on this one?
535.
535. So far the day's amazing. We got great weather, great vibes. We had great dinner or lunch, and yeah, so far so good.
Roll me my 7-iron.
7, babe. 7, baby.
Give me a nice little toss.
Nice, that's good though. Got the distance. Angel.
It's gonna go a little bit though. It's okay. Got a nice little par putt there.
There it is.
On the green. In front of the green.
Boys just finished up and we got back in the car, and now we're out front of Lake Kawaguchiko, and we're actually supposed to circle back over there so we can get a view of the lake and Mount Fuji, but we just decided to do a little pit stop here and admire the beauty. Man, what a beautiful country. Now today it is a little overcast now. It started off super sunny, but I can't complain. I mean, look at this view, it's still amazing. Wow. So right now I'm standing behind me actually, is the famous Lawson, the one with the insane view. Now obviously we came here at night so you can't see shit, but Still sick. Hold on, hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh.
Every day, like the eyeballs, like a replay. Kinda love the race game, shit, we can play, but dang, ain't shit changed. How you feel, how you feel, how you feel? 25 sitting on 25.
This is our driver, by the way.
I'm feeling myself.
He's driving right now.
I wanna do it for the band, okay?
A long day, refueling. Everyone's juiced. I need a refueling. I need a giga. You need a giga? Nah, you're good, bro. You don't need the refuel.